Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your iPhone runs iOS 14. 5 or later, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, and you're signed into iCloud with Find My turned on. Once done, press and pull the Airtag tab to activate its battery, then hold it next to your iPhone. You'll see the connection prompt appear automatically. Tap Connect, choose a name or create a custom one, and assign it to your Apple ID. This pairing step registers the Airtag for secure tracking in Find My. After pairing, you configure how the Airtag behaves. You name it to reflect the item, assign it to yourself, and enable precise location so you get directional guidance when close. Make sure Play Sound is active for quick nearby finds, and turn on Notify when left behind to get alerts if you walk away. If needed, share location access by adding a trusted contact in Find My. This lets someone else see the tag's location without transferring ownership. Finish by testing all functions. Open Find My, select the Airtag, use directions for walking guidance, and tap Play Sound to confirm audio. If the item is missing, enable Lost Mode to display your contact number and receive notifications when it's seen. If things go wrong, no connection or no sound, make sure the battery tab is fully removed, Bluetooth is on, and your iPhone software is up to date. If needed, unpair and repair the Airtag to reset its connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.